If you've ever thought the quest for abundance felt like a crazy time warp, or an endless black hole, I've got good news, and some bad news. Bad news first. Most abundance teachers, mentors and gurus have got it all wrong. Because they will try to teach you how to manifest wealth, health, or X, Y, Z. Here's the problem. You don't need to learn to manifest anything. Because manifesting is all we do. Here's the truth about manifesting wealth. Manifesting abundance is only about learning how to direct your attention toward what you want. Because everything is already 100% yours. It's just waiting for you to let it all in. And when I say everything, I mean everything. All the money and all the love, all the health and freedom your heart could hold, is already yours. That's what physicists like Einstein and Amit Goswami have proven with the observer effect, aka the law of attention. More on that later. But the truth is, it's your old stories programmed in your subconscious from childhood that are blocking the abundance of money, success and earth-shattering breakthroughs you want, need and deserve from easily becoming your reality. Now, here's the good news: how to get out of the manifestation black hole. There's a simple way to get out of the manifestation black hole fast. Discover how to easily clear away the clouds that are blocking out the sunshine of unlimited abundance. Discover how to quickly and easily overwrite the old stories with new stories that automatically manifest the new realities you want, need, and deserve. One day from homeless to nine-figure empire. P.S. Listen, if you take personal growth seriously, and you're looking to truly experience what unlimited abundance feels like, let me show you how I discovered it for myself, and how thousands are experiencing it right now. Join us by clicking here. Please subscribe to this channel for more quality videos, and please like and click on the link below in the description.